Are you looking for the best ultrasonic cleaner? In this video we will look at some of the best ultrasonic cleaner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DK Sonic 30L Ultrasonic Cleaner. We believe the DK Sonic Ultrasonic Cleaner is a valuable investment for anyone in need of a reliable cleaning device, especially considering its performance and ease of use. After our time with the DK Sonic 30L, we've seen firsthand its capability to cleanse thoroughly, reaching into every nook and cranny of items with intricate designs. This is due in part to its 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, which does a standout job on complex surfaces. The robust build of the cleaner is immediately noticeable. Comprised of SUS 304 stainless steel, it withstands not just the test of time but also the occasional splash of acidic or basic solutions we threw at it. Its durability is apparent and reassuring. The unit's user-friendly interface has been a boon for our team. With 2 mechanical controllers, setting it up is a breeze and something we were able to do without constantly referring to the manual. This simplicity means we were up and running quickly. On the downside, the machine's powerful operation comes with a significant amount of noise. In an office or quiet environment, this could be a distracting drawback. Also, relocating the cleaner can be a workout due to its substantial size and weight. Considering the price point, it's fair to recognize that this cleaner may be more of an investment than what a hobbyist might be willing to make. However, for dedicated professionals or those heavily involved in restorative work, it's a price well justified by its performance and reliability. Our experience suggests that for those who need an efficient and robust ultrasonic cleaner, the DK Sonic 30L is a sound choice. It's been a functional addition to our toolkit, enhancing our cleaning processes with its power and versatility. At number 2. CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. In our experience with the CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner, its robust 600W power made short work of dirt and grime. The unit's spacious tank catered to a wide range of cleaning needs, from jewelry to automotive parts. The fact that it operates without harsh chemicals added an eco-friendly bonus. Whether we were sprucing up household items or refreshing lab equipment, the results consistently exceeded expectations. Durability is key for appliances that see regular use, and this cleaner didn't disappoint. Its stainless steel interior and exterior can weather frequent usage, leaving us confident it'll remain part of our toolkit for years to come. Carrying it around was a breeze too, thanks to its practical design with thoughtful inset handles. When it came to operation, we were met with user-friendly controls that made setup virtually effortless. Setting the temperature and timer was straightforward, allowing us to focus on other tasks while it worked its magic. Ticking off most boxes for professional and domestic use, the CREWORKS cleaner became our go-to device. Every product has room for improvement, and though minor, we noted them. Initially, the handle's durability was a concern. It seemed susceptible to wear and tear. While the device excelled at cleaning, we noted it wasn't suitable for tackling rust, which could be a slight letdown for some users. Lastly, while the 30L capacity is generous, we did encounter moments where a larger size would have been beneficial. Nonetheless, these downsides were far outweighed by the cleaner's efficient and reliable performance. At number 3. CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. Using the CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner has been a game-changer in our cleaning routine. The setup felt intuitive, and we were able to see the fizz and buzz of cavitation in action immediately. The water heated up quickly, and the digital controls were responsive, allowing us to adjust the temperature and timer with ease. The cleaner felt heavy-duty, and our confidence in its stainless steel construction was bolstered by the 1-year warranty and robust customer service advertised. We tried various objects to test its capability, from jewelry to kitchen utensils, and the results did impress us. The powerful action of the cavitation bubbles ensured that no grime could stand a chance, and it was quite satisfying to see items come out sparkling without using harsh chemicals. However, we did take note of the machine's noise during operation, which could be a slight distraction, especially in a quiet environment. While most will appreciate the cleaner's size and power, for those who only require occasional light cleaning, this unit might be more than necessary. Also, the limitation of being designed for 110V power sources means its versatility across different countries is somewhat restricted. The CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner will be our go-to for tackling tough cleaning tasks moving forward. High-powered and easy to use, it offers professional quality cleans for all our valuables. If you've got the space and the need for such a capable cleaner, this could very well be a fantastic addition to your toolset. At number 4. CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. After giving the CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner a thorough workout, it's clear it brings professional-level cleaning into our homes or labs. It effortlessly tackles grime on jewelry and rust on small tools, infusing its half-gallon basin with cavitation bubbles that make short work of stubborn stains and dirt. We appreciate the balance it strikes between heft and portability, thanks to its durable stainless steel body coupled with practical inset handles. Ease of use stands out as a significant benefit. The intuitive knob controls to adjust temperature and timer let us kickstart the cleaning process without fuss. The satisfaction of seeing items emerge spotless, from kids' toys to eyeglasses, is undeniable. Plus, being able to clean without harmful chemicals aligns well with our safety and environmental values. While supremely capable, the cleaner's size does impose some limitations. It won't accommodate larger items, which means we are sometimes left looking for alternative cleaning methods for bigger things. Also, while the cleaning is in progress, the high-pitched sound reminds us it's hard at work, not a deal-breaker, but something to be mindful of, especially if you prefer a quiet environment. Despite these quirks, the machine's consistent results and solid build have earned its place in our cleaning arsenal. At number 5. CREWORKS Jewelry Cleaner. We've found our CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner extremely useful for a variety of cleaning tasks. Small yet powerful, it tackles even the most stubborn residues on jewelry and tools. Operating it feels intuitive. Fill the tank, drop your items in, set your desired temperature and timer, and at the push of a button, it gets to work. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on thoroughness or quality of cleaning. Its cleaning prowess extends beyond jewelry, as we've successfully restored the shine to household items and personal care tools as well. The 304 stainless steel tank gives us confidence in its durability, which means we expect to be using it for years to come without hitches from the cleaning solutions we use. The 2L capacity has been adequate for our day-to-day cleaning needs. One observation is the heater's pace. It's not the fastest. If you're planning back-to-back cleaning sessions, factor in some time for the unit to reach the desired temperature. Additionally, after some use, we noticed the lid could show early signs of wear, so handling it with care is advisable. Lastly, while the tank size suits us just fine, those expecting to clean larger batches of items in one go might find it limiting.